Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Plus, even if they sell or take a cash option, the winners get to keep the designer furnishings and the cash and vehicle portions of the prize, which are substantial. The HGTV Dream Home is a prestigious property that many people would love to own, meaning that it usually sells for a great price.
Take our lead.
When it became obvious that the people winning its sweepstakes were unable to keep their new digs, HGTV began offering winners a cash option. Most winners now either go that route or sell the houses, often back to their builders, but rarely at full value.
Take our lead.
HGTV does not fund the renovations, but they do cover the cost of one bonus item and pay a talent fee to Chip and Joanna. If you thought that renovation budget seemed impossible for everything Chip and Joanna accomplished, that's because the buyers are basically getting the renovations done at a cost.
Take our lead.
How the grand prize winner will be determined. 1. Potential grand prize winner. The grand prize winner will be chosen by sponsor in a random drawing on or about February 22, 2021 from among all eligible entries received during the entire sweepstakes period, the grand prize drawing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.